You're my love, you're my angel, the girl of my dream. And I'm like a thank you, waiting patiently. Oh, that is all, that is all to stay in. How I waited for this moment to be by your side. Your best friend put it on me. You have big drums in your eyes. Oh, that is home. Your dad is home to stay in. It wasn't a Sunday, Monday and Tuesday went by. It wasn't on a Tuesday afternoon. All I can do is cry, but I'll be the promise that you treasure. And I'm better back to you. How I waited for this moment to be by your side. And your best friend put it on me. You had big drums in your eyes. Oh, that is home. Your dad is home to stay in. It wasn't a Sunday, Monday and Tuesday went by. It wasn't on a Tuesday afternoon. All I can do is cry, but I'll be the promise that you treasure. And I'm better back to you. How I waited for this moment to be by your side. Your best friend put it on me. You have big drums in your eyes. Oh, that is home. Your dad is home to stay in. That is home. Your dad is home to stay in. I have always been a dreamer, followed vision of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my own. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found what in you. miss me reaching out too far. When I feel you were there with your hands in the air, in you from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day.
Ayan, para katigin niyo mayat nga request yung kalsat. Ayan, isurat tayo lang iti papel. Ayan, basta ang pumita kita request yung ayan, mabalik kayo na tayo request. Parang give yung anino ka na sa
Itinagsinaan lagi pinaglaban, ang manalubong na napanuragsan. Unang tutinga at patingga, ngem na buwan kaya panagin ukunan. Ikikita melunagan nabilig na, habang epel nagbay tumasegan. Diyan nagtadi ka pulos liniban, di kalin ng sin dito'y puso ken rinang. O apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan, apay nga ta, adi ka maadaywan. Uray siyak tay, ikaw paspasaktan, uray at ta sa balingay pang panghunang. Alright! Ikikita melunagan natilig na, habang epem nagbay tumasegan. At dyan nagtadi ka pulos liniban, di kalin ng sin dito'y puso ken rinang. O apay nga ta, adi ka
request. Yan as long as alam po namin. At nakaranakan sa tayo mga ipahay man na di may isang Ilocano song para di mahilig Ilocano.
Sukat ang kaniyang panagtibibig niyo adwa. Matututog na ito'y rik na
giving out all this song, yeah. Ave Maria at the wedding.
You by my side, that's how I see us. I close my eyes and I can see that we're on our way to say I do. My secret dreams have all come true. I see the church, I see the people. You folks have mine, I'll begin to mine. And I can hear sweet voices singing Ave Maria. Oh my love, this can really be that someday you'll walk down the aisles with me. Let it be, not of the world for you. I'll be yours, now and forever. I see the church, I see the people. You folks and mine, I'll begin to find and I can hear sweet voices singing Ave Maria. Oh my love, this can really be that someday you'll walk down the aisles with me. Let it be, not of the world for you. I'll be yours, now and forever. Naulpit at ang wet, isimbang bay kaniya. Sikat ay nagaw na iniyatayo, dito'y denda. Nabayag ang panawin, nga nagiptura.
bakas ninipa. Alright, thank you so much for requesting this song. Very oldie song.
never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are done, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the door. Tell me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being right. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life has changed in oh so many ways. My independence seems to vanish in my days. But every now and then I feel so insecure. And now that I just need you like I've never done before. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? On the research. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the doors. Tell me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Please help me.
Alright, thank you so much po sa nag-request.